Welcome back, everybody, and this is going to be an update to the Monday video because I said I was going to do an update throughout the week. This is an update pre-market on Thursday morning, March 11th at 7:30 in the morning. So if you guys remember, we were talking about five different stocks. We were talking about NEO, Virgin Galactic, Spotify, Tesla, and Teladoc, and that is what the video is going to be on today. We're going to do an update on those right now. So sit back and relax. Well, guys, this is going to be the update for the week, or not for the week. I plan on doing another one here pretty soon, but I just wanted to hop on here real quick and kind of keep my voice a little lower than normal because it is still kind of early in the morning. However, I wanted to run over a few stocks that have been listed in the previous video. So we'll go over NEO, Virgin Galactic, Spotify, Tesla, and Teladoc. Those were the few that I had ran over in last week's video, or I guess this week's video. Did I post it on Monday? Yeah, I think I did. All right, so first we got NEO, right? On NEO, we were talking about how NEO, these people up here are down bad, and it started shooting down, and anytime it got up, you know, it's going to make it tougher to go up because these guys are going to try to sell anytime it goes higher, right? Well, it broke that support that we were worried about, and then went, pushed further. I believe this was Monday. That's Tuesday. It got back up, and it kind of gapped up over that line it would have been retesting as a resistance now, but it gapped up over and actually is now retesting it down again as a support. So this is definitely a point of interest on the stock. So not just looking at NEO, because this is going to be a pretty quick one. Let's look at Virgin Galactic, because that was another one that we were looking at, and it's kind of seeing the same thing, right? After that line that we drew, this was last week, but Monday. But as we can see, it's kind of showing the same thing, right? It was going down, went further than the line that we drew. However, it finally stopped somewhat, and on Tuesday it gapped up. The market must have been a completely green day on Tuesday. However, it gapped up just like NEO and is kind of retesting that same area. So again, this is a point of interest for Virgin Galactic as well. So let's make a circle for this guy. Actually, let's go back to NEO as well and do that. NEO, point of interest right there as well. We're definitely seeing some similarities in the market right now for those two stocks. So we'll see if it continues on with the third stock we looked at, which was Spotify. And it's kind of similar, right? We drew this line, and that was Monday. So Monday it went down directly to the price control of the chart, which is $270.19, and actually touched directly on that line that we drew. Again, Tuesday it popped up a little bit, but wasn't completely green for Spotify. And again, Wednesday it shot down just like the other two. So we'll mark this one up. Why these stocks have gone down as much as they did, and why they're similar in the way they're moving right now. I assume it's because they're mostly tech based. Yeah. So NEO, I mean, it is a car, but NEO and any EV company, it's really the technology that goes into it. Virgin Galactic, again, it's the technology. It's not really, they're not selling Skittles or Tic Tacs. They're innovative changes in the market. Spotify, technology. Tesla, again, we've covered this 1,000 times, doing the same thing that we've seen in the other ones, right? Had these funky candles that, I didn't like too much. Had this, it touched the line and then actually finished above it or near it. So the reason why it might not be lining up is because of the way I drew the line. Maybe I didn't put it at the correct spot, but you can see on Monday, shot below it. Tuesday, that green day that we've been seeing with all the stocks. And of course, Wednesday, kind of finishing up exactly just how we've seen with the other stocks that we have viewed today. Looking at our final one, I believe it is, which is Teladoc. Ooh, surprise, surprise. Kind of moving the same way we thought. What's different about this one is that the Teladoc is actually finishing under the price control and volume shelf, as opposed to the other ones where I think it was Friday and Monday where they were under the price control, but then that Tuesday would have brought them above. However, this one is getting shot down by that price control volume shelf. So this one, I am seeing some heavy resistance right there, looking like it's kind of tough to get above. So that is something to keep an eye on. However, I do want to, emphasis on the point that in the video I said, hey, all these stocks are kind of returning to the largest volume shelf for the 1 year 1 day, the price control for the 1 year 1 day. So we should see it starting to slow down, and we're kind of seeing that right now, right? It may not seem like it, because a lot of people get wishy-washy during these times because, you know, stonks only go up. In my eyes, is a good sign, right? So it's starting to level out, it's starting to, you know, kind of sit at a spot for a couple days in a row here, instead of just completely falling off for numerous days on end, just like, you know, we see on NEO, right? Instead of just selling off for what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days in a row, having 2 green days and kind of repeating the pattern, disregarding that one. But you know, it's kind of finding a spot to sit at, and we can see that it's showing with all the stocks that we've done, and they're all technology based, right? So I'd say it's pretty common for the tech sector to be doing this, or tech industry. So that being said, guys, I think that is a good spot to wrap this update up. I think what I said with them starting to slow down is correct, and we should we should start to maybe, I know what I'm going to do. I don't know what you guys are going to do, because you're going to need to talk to your licensed financial advisor. But I am actually, you know, looking at these companies and trying to pick a good spot. I think this might be a good spot for me to start adding to my positions. But for you guys, you should definitely talk to your financial advisor, because at the end of the day, I am just a YouTuber, and my opinions literally mean nothing. So I just thought I would jump on here, show you the update, because that's what I said I would do, and I'm a man of my word. So with that being said, guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in an update probably after Friday. I know this is before Thursday. I didn't get to film last night. I wasn't feeling it. However, this is before market open at 7:33 in the morning. So I'm gonna get this out there as soon as I can, and we'll get it out to you guys. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.